Imagine tasting history in every bite. That's Indian food, a 5,000-year story told through spice, trade, faith, pure creativity. Let's start ancient. Wheat, barley, lentils, sesame, pressing oil from mustard. Ayurveda mapped flavor like a science. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, astringent, balancing body and mind. That idea still shapes thalis today, a plate where every taste has a purpose. Then the spice routes changed everything. Indian black pepper was worth its weight in silver to Romans. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. They sailed out, wealth sailed in. India became the world's spice compass. Religion refined the kitchen. Hindu traditions highlighted fasting and purity. Vegetarian cooking became an art. Buddhism spread ideas of simplicity. Jain cooks perfected meals without root vegetables. Coastal communities mastered fish and coconut. Herders in the north leaned into dairy, ghee, yogurt, paneer. Enter the sultans and Mughals. Persian technique, dum steaming. Fragrant rice, biryani and pulao. Korma, kebab, naan, and smoky meats. Royal kitchens wrote flavor like poetry. Saffron, rose, cardamom. The Portuguese? Game changers. Chilies, tomatoes, potatoes, peanuts. Gon Vindaloo began as vinho d'alhos, wine and garlic pork. Indian cooks swapped in palm vinegar. And chilies, they made it legendary. British colonialism added its own imprint. Railways spread regional dishes nationwide. Tea from Assam and Darjeeling became ritual, cutting chai on every corner. Mulligatawny, kedgeree, Tamil pepper water, khichdi. Curry powder simplified complex masalas for export, but regions stayed unique. South, dosa, idli, sambar, coconut, soft, tangy and bright. North, rich gravies, butter and cream, tandoori, and sarson da saag with makki roti. East, mustard oil, river fish, sandesh, rasgulla. West, thalis and crunchy fasan, Kashmir's legendary wazwan. Northeast, bamboo shoot, fermented notes, the Naga chili. Street food turned speed into art, chaat with tamarind and sev. Pav bhaji, vada pav, kathi rolls. Abroad, Indian food reinvented itself. Bunny chow, roti canai, curry goat. The UK gave back chicken tikka masala, born in diaspora kitchens, loved worldwide. Through it all, technique ties it together. The sizzle of tadka, cumin, mustard seed, garlic. Masala isn't one powder, it's a map, built fresh for each dish. Today, chefs push boundaries from home kitchens to fine dining. Next time you taste perfect biryani or a humble dal, remember, you're eating history.